we would have a client come to us with a tax debt. So I had a client who come to me who was a very prominent real estate agent in the eastern suburbs of Sydney, making millions of dollars a year. Hadn't paid tax for years, didn't even submit his tax returns. And he's like, oh, I'm scared I'm going to get a knock on the door. I need to get it sorted. So we did his draft tax returns. He owed $1 million to the ATO. And so we said, okay, here's going to be the strategy. We're going to submit the tax returns. We're going to immediately call the ATO and we're going to tell them, we're going to show them your financial position, that you don't have the money, you've basically spent it. And we're going to offer them 30 cents on the dollar and we're going to get them to waive all general interest charges. And the ATO took it. So prior to COVID, we had these really lucrative negotiations that we could do with the ATO. Because the interesting thing is when we look at the ATO looks at any debt that's outstanding for more than 12 months. For every month that it's outstanding, the percentage in terms of certainty of recoverability just drastically declines. So they're like, well, I'd prefer to have 30 cents on the dollar than nothing. So
is it like that now?
No, it's not like that now. So since COVID, basically the directive was from the powers that be is that their number one revenue mechanism is the ATO, and there's so much money outstanding that the ATO is now enforcing what's called directors' penalty notices. So one of the great things about running a company is that it's a proprietary limited company, meaning that as a director, you have limited liability. So for as long as you don't do fraud, you can wind up the business and walk away from the liabilities scot-free. A director's penalty notice makes you personally liable as a director for the company's liability.